Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever heard of a money market account? Think of it as a hybrid between a regular checking and a savings account. It offers a little more flexibility than a standard savings, usually with better interest rates. Many people use them to keep their emergency funds or for short-term savings goals because your money can grow a bit faster while still being accessible. One of the biggest draws of a money market account is its competitive interest rate, which often outpaces traditional savings. You also get some convenient access features, like limited check writing or a debit card, making it simpler to manage your funds. And just like other bank accounts, your money is protected by FDIC insurance, giving you peace of mind about your deposits. So, how does your money actually grow? Money market accounts usually have variable interest rates, meaning they can fluctuate with the broader market conditions. This interest is often compounded daily or monthly, which helps your savings increase steadily over time. Some banks even offer tiered rates, where a larger balance might qualify for an even higher interest percentage, giving your money more power. While money market accounts offer more liquidity than, say, a certificate of deposit, there are some access considerations. You can generally use a debit card, write checks, or make online transfers. However, federal rules limit certain withdrawals and transfers to 6 per monthly statement period. This limit helps the bank classify it as a savings account, which in turn allows them to offer those more attractive interest rates. Who really benefits from a money market account? They are an excellent choice if you're looking for a better return on your savings than a traditional account, but still need relatively easy access to your money. Many people use them for their emergency funds or for significant short-term savings goals, like a down payment on a car or a home. It's a smart way to let your money work harder for you without locking it away completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.